2014 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, MP3 player, trip computer, power windows, CD player, bucket seats, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, daytime running lights, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.